I'd become more religious. I'd gone into an Orthodox yeshiva, experienced studying Talmud, studying Gemara. It was spectacular for me. I could almost see myself spending the rest of my life studying Gemara, just in a chavrusa the rest of my life, living in ultra-Orthodox community, except that my real deep engagement with European non-Jewish high culture was an inoculation against that. Because at the same time, I also realized that you can get deep spiritual gratification from a symphony, from a great work of art. And so I was almost immune to the Baal Tshuva, religious return that a lot of my friends were experiencing, because it involves a rejection of the culture that I also loved and I'd been nurtured on in a very deep and meaningful way. So what happens then is I decide on Brandeis as a kind of a compromise, which wasn't totally wrong. It did end up being like that in a quirky kind of a way.